Hey, what's up guys, it's Texumer talking to you here, and in today's video is going to be a day in the life with the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Today's special because today's game day for my team. I came to watch them in my capital city, in my country. Today it's going to be day in the life in Lisbon. I hope you are excited. I made an iPhone 15 Pro Max review. Lots of people were interested in that phone, and so I decided to make another day in the life. Hope you're excited. Let's get the day going. Obviously, to start the day, I needed to eat some breakfast because, well, we are in a hotel and you might as well enjoy the buffet. Yes, went down and went to get some breakfast. Obviously, I like to eat healthy, so got some fruits, got some food, and then just get started my day, enjoying the city and get ready for today's game. Let's go. So, breakfast eaten, now it's time to go into the center of the city. I will show you around. It's a beautiful, beautiful city. I hope you enjoy it. Obviously, this couldn't be an iPhone 15 Pro Max day in the life without some camera testing. And of course, I took some nice pictures in Lisbon. Beautiful, beautiful city to photograph. Fun fact, this is called Praca do Comercio, and it was totally destroyed during the earthquake of 1755 in Portugal. But again, this was rebuilt by Marquês de Pombal, and it's now one of the best places in Lisbon. It's beautiful, it's extremely big, it's a huge square, and all the buildings are extremely beautiful. So, if you ever come to Lisbon, to Portugal, come pay a visit, it's definitely worth it. We are now in the Praca do Comercio, one of my favorite places in Lisbon and one of the most famous places in Lisbon. It's beautiful, it's huge. This was destroyed on the earthquake in 1755, but in my opinion, it's one of the best places in Lisbon to visit. Go check it out. So, what city is Lisbon? Lisbon is the capital city of Portugal, and it's located around the south, mid-south of the country. This is the capital city again of the country, the biggest city with the most inhabitants, and in my opinion, one of the most beautiful cities in Portugal. It's huge. The weather is really nice. It's like California weather, and the food is incredible. All the monuments, everything, it's extremely good. Like the food, top notch. Monuments, beautiful. Praca do Comercio, Belém, that I will show you a bit later. And we also have a Golden State Bridge equivalent called 25th of April Bridge. The 25th of April Bridge was firstly built by our old dictator back in the dictatorship days, called António Salazar. António Salazar built the bridge and called it António Salazar Bridge. But after the revolution in 25th of April of 1974, the government that was instituted renamed the bridge 25th of April. If you want to know what the bridge is, that thing there, it's very look-alike to the Golden State Bridge. Beautiful. Called, again, 25th of April Bridge. So, go check it out. Portugal is a very beautiful country, and Lisbon is definitely a must-see if you come here. The bridge that I was talking about, there it is. Pretty big, isn't it? So, all of that walking and discovering Lisbon was incredible. And after lunch, I took another visit around the city, and I was making time until the game actually started. It was around 5:30 at this time, and the game actually started at 8:15. So, yeah, we went to the hotel, pick up the stuff, and let's get ready for the game. I was buzzing out, getting to the stadium, super nervous because I wanted my team to win. If we won, we will get to the first place of the championship, so I was super excited. Again, we were at the Estádio of Alvalade. This is Sporting's of Lisbon, or like we call it here in Portugal, and its real name, Sporting Clube de Portugal. It's their stadium, and it's an incredible stadium. Super beautiful, inside, outside. It has gone through some renovations, and it's getting even better. And now, well, let the games begin. Yep, I'm home. And I decided to end the video like this because the iPhone just died and ran out of the storage when I was at the stadium. So, yeah, I decided to end the vlog there and do a finish up here. So, I'm here to say thank you guys for watching my vlog, and I hope you like these types of content. If you do, then go into the comments down below and let me know, because that really helps and actually makes me change content, doing the different things. And if you enjoy really this video, drop a like down below and subscribe to the channel, because that really helps the algorithm out. So thank you guys for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this game. And of course, my team won. This is the shirt. I'm super happy. This was the best way to end the year. Happy Christmas, guys. I will have more videos down this week about the iPhone 16 leaks and rumors news, and of course, Apple cancelling the Apple Watch in the USA. So if you are excited for those videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.